more goals. When you are working for somebody else, basically you are helping him achieve more and achieve his dreams rather than working on yourself. Right now, if I particularly have to enter into a chemical field, मेरे को knowledge नहीं है, still I can do very well in that. The reason for that is you guys. तुम लोग जो पढ़ रहे हो, I will pick you guys from here, जो third year, fourth year में जाते हैं, and will make you guys work for me so that I can be the millionaire that I want to be. It is simple as that. अभी अगर मैं political science कर रहा रहता, sitting in that class, I wouldn't be standing in front of you guys. Professor wouldn't be referring to me as sir, nor do I might have contacts to the best brains of the country. Currently, just a month ago, I went to Bangalore for a summit. I met Dipender Goyal, I met Lenskart founder. In fact, Aman Gupta personally, I am connected to him through his own social media handle as well as I have his number. Do you think me working in a corporate life would have gotten me number of Aman Gupta if I met him somewhere? The simple answer is no. That's why you should start something of your own. Abhi, I'll give you an idea of what PIRC does. PIRC is a cell of Entrepreneurship Research Center. 3 साल पहले तक PIRC का नाम EDC था, that is Entrepreneurship Development Cell. Then I joined it. It was a very simple procedure. I went in. मेरे idea के लिए actually ऐसे हुआ. There are cohort systems actually. I am in the second. I was in the second cohort. I went in. The cohort had already started. 1 week हो चुका था. Total 4 weeks का program रहता है. But because of my passion, that Jay sir, the CEO of PIRC, saw into me. He directly put me in the second cohort directly from the second week. I did not have to wait for another 6 months for the next cohort to start. If you are passionate about it, you can directly start. किसी को coding में interest है कुछ? Anyone who is apart from doing their chemical part is into coding? Do you have any friends into computer science, computer application field who are into coding? Anyone? You do. So when you have friends in the software field, why don't you have a word with them? Because a lot of times what happens is when you are in your circle, the person sitting beside you, you don't know what he's going to do in the next couple of years. You never know कि तुम्हारे पीठ पीछे वो कुछ देर बाद आके PIRC में आइडिया पिच कर देगा. His idea gets ahead. He starts his own company and you are into corporate slavery and he is running that company. ये तो स्टोरी तुम्हारे नारायण मूर्ति का ये स्टोरी है. इट इज अ वेरी पेक्युलर स्टोरी. हिज सन, नारायण मूर्ति's son, used to study in a school where there were the best minds possible. His son went to IIT. With him, there was a backbencher who did not go to IIT. He could not even pass his board exams quite well. 3 years further the line, the person who was a backbencher who could not even pass the board exam was running a company, and Narayan Murthy's son was looking for a job in a company. That's where they both met, and for the first 2 years, Narayan Murthy's son, the founder of Infosys, his own son, had to work under a guy who wasn't even qualified enough to actually meet Narayan Murthy's level of intellect. That is the power of your own upbringing and self-determination. The ones who are English speaking, excuse me for 2 minutes. I'll be speaking in Hindi so that these people, अभी mostly लोगों के दिमाग के ऊपर से जा रहा है तो लग रहा है. So मैं हिंदी में बात करता हूँ, so you guys can understand well. Just 2 minutes I'll translate it in English. अभी तुम लोगों ने शार्क टैंक देखा है. तुम लोगों को किन लोगों ने नाभि सूत्र वाला ये देखा था एपिसोड? जिन लोगों ने देखा है, कितनों ने गालियाँ दी नाभि सूत्र को कि क्या गंदा स्टार्टअप है. सिपलाइन के बारे में पता होगा. मोस्टली पीपल हेटेड दो स्टार्टअप. दैट्स व्हेयर दे केम इन. नाभि सूत्र की जो फाउंडर थी, शी हैज बीन इन पारुल फॉर अराउंड अबाउट 3 times टू गिव एक्सपर्ट सेशंस. That is the power कि you don't need an amazing idea. You just need an idea which is normal, but you should have the passion कि तुम लोग उसको अलग ढंग से बता सको. अभी मेरा ही ले लो. I am not doing something out of the box. Honestly speaking, मैं भी उम्मीद करता हूँ मैं तुम लोगों के जैसा कर पाऊँ. I am not doing anything out of the box. I just did it the way in a normal way just by adding my own innovation. अभी तुम लोग जाओगे एक ब्रोकर तुम लोगों को घर दिखाएगा, he showing you an empty house, I am showing you house which is furnished by me. My benefit is that I am not taking brokerage to benefit you guys. My benefit is that I am adding those amenities. I am adding it to my own assets. जिस घर में तुम रह रहे हो वो घर मुझे तुम लोगों को अभी कुछ नहीं देगा, मुझे कुछ अभी नहीं देगा. 3 years the line, I bought that house for 18 lakh rupees. After 3 years, the current value of Vadodara's growth is around 45%. So you can literally multiply. अगर 4 times भी मुझे return मिला, तो 18 का I can easily get around 40 lakh rupees in the next 3 years. मैं बेच दूँ तो भी मेरा पूरा जो 3 साल में कुछ नहीं कमाया होगा वो आ जाएगा. In the chemicals part, I don't have much knowledge about it, but if you enter into brewery, the market for brewery specifically is so big. Rather than brewery, I would even into chemicals. I don't have much knowledge honestly, but कुछ ना कुछ होते ही रहता है innovation. Now we are entering into a market where there is sustainable energy, clean energy. Make innovation into something that एक गाड़ी अभी हाइड्रोजन के ऊपर चल रही है, मतलब पानी के ऊपर चल रही है. Make a chemical or something that is more efficient, जिससे अर्थ का डिप्लीशन भी नहीं होगा and can run a car as well. That is a startup which is working in Bangalore. You don't need to be in Bangalore to start a startup. Honestly, किन लोगों को लगता है that you need पैसे अभी ही to start a startup. कि पहले से पैसे वो अकाउंट बैंक अकाउंट में पड़े लाखों में, तो ही तुम लोग स्टार्टअप कर सकते हो. The best thing that Indian government, अच्छा, I am not sparking any race, but problem हमारा, solution हमारा, पैसा हमारा, कनेक्शन हमारे, founder CEO वो बैठा है बाप, जो जिसको हमने ढूंढा, simple as that. So even one of you is passionate ना कि करना है कुछ, and you reach out to me sometime later, तो भी I can give you an idea which you work upon. कैसे execute करना है वो तुम्हारा सवाल है. I will give you the solution. I will give you the problem. I will give you the startup idea. So let's do it reverse. तुम लोग मेरे पास आओगे and I will provide you with the solution or something like that. I will come to you. I will give you the solution. I will give you the problem. I will give you a time of 3 to 6 months. You come with an execution plan. Back to me कि वो प्लान में कैसे सॉल्व कर सकता हूँ. Sounds easy. अब केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग वालों के लिए है. Do you want to start the पेट्रोकेमिकल या फिर केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग का कंपनी होते हो? What are the avenues? मान लो मैं तुम्हारा स्टूडेंट हूँ और आप मुझे बता रहे हैं वो I am coming to you asking what is the avenue further. क्या क्या कर सकते हैं? कुछ आइडिया? कि ऐसे ही ले लिया केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग इजी था, पता है कि डिग्री हो जाएगा इसलिए ले लिया, कुछ तो करना था ऐसे ही ले लिया. इसके हंसी से जवाब में इसके ऐसे ही ले लिया होगा. इन मेकाट्रॉनिक्स आते हैं. That guy is doing mechatronics, but I don't think so he can do anything further in mechatronics because he has a startup idea of his own. नाम क्या है आपका? व्योम. अच्छा, this is a very minimal part which I would give you as a suggestion. कभी भी कोई भी आपको आपका नाम पूछे, I request you please tell your full name. पापा का नाम नहीं पता है, no problem, but your name and your surname. That actually leaves an impact, telling them that you are actually capable of being a professional. It is a very minimal thing, but it leaves a lasting impact on the person further. अभी सर ने मेरा इंट्रोडक्शन करवाया, कितने लोगों को मेरा नाम याद है? सच बताओ. इतना सुन रहे हो इतने देर से मुझसे, एक को भी मेरा नाम याद नहीं. Not for the time वाला part. The part where I provide hostels and corporate housing. Do you think I would have been able to do that if I would not have get to CIS? The simple answer is no. Just because I had 1% of courage to do that, I actually succeeded in front. मेरे क्लास के बंदे अभी एग्जाम्स लिख रहे हैं वहाँ पे. I am standing in front of you guys, pitching about my idea, because even me, even Sir PIRC knows that India is heading towards a path where you can earn money mostly through business and startups. It is simple as that. तुम लोगों, even if you guys think that working in corporates to take an experience is a very good thing, honestly speaking. But after a point, I would definitely suggest you guys leave your jobs, take a drop out of your jobs, not your studies, and explore your field. Travelers, how many of you love traveling?
Today's session, sir, will guide you that how actually that journey which will be started from idea for the particular problem solution, right from idea, then how it will make an impact in the market actually. So stage wise whole detail will be shared from their side. Okay, and I expect that you are having some kind of questions. You can raise your questions, and during it will be a completely knowledge enriching, fruitful, right, and a kind of a motivating session for you guys, right? So I am not wasting much of time. I request Mr. Devasis to take over and start the session.
Basically, I am into service accommodation provision. That is, we deal into corporate housing and student housing as well. That basically means you guys are first year students. Most of you are living in Farooq hostel. No. How many of you are living in Farooq hostel? No. Not much. The ones who are localites, Barodia is there. Mostly are localites. So, what I deal into is that I am basically from Maharashtra. 2 years ago, I came to Farooq to study in political science. That's when, after the first year, I faced a bit of issues by finding housing outside. I got scammed of 45,000, where I actually faced the problem of getting scammed by a broker. I paid the total sum of 45,000, which I never got back, nor did I get a house. That's when I thought maybe I was the only one facing the problem. But when I had a word in my own department, there were more than 40 to 50 people who had been facing the same issue. Similarly, that's when I started with developing a normal website for searching accommodation easily. That's when I developed the website with the help of fellow developers to easily find the website for the ones who are migrating from their hometown. Eventually, this was the part which I did in the year 2022. Eventually, in the year 2023, we came to a part where we had to pivot, that is basically transform from an online mode to an offline mode. Now currently, I provide corporate housing to Farooq faculties as well as a lot of L&T staff. L&T is the company which is just near Barodia company. The Barodians might know, but the ones who are from outside don't know. Basically, now what I do is that I service accommodation. That is, you go find an empty house. I am the one who basically installs all the required amenities. From furniture to making the home automated, that is what I do. This is the part of my story, and currently we are working in 3 major cities, that is Vadodara, Ahmedabad and Surat. I have a team of total 80 people working in all the 3 cities, and just an idea, how many of you might guess, what do you think my age is right now? Any guesses?
80.
मैं 19 साल का हूँ. I started this company when I was 17. When I came to Farooq, I started this company. So basically, to start a startup, there is no age limit. A person who is of 12 or 13 years of age. Have you heard of a startup called Papers and Parcels? There is a startup called Papers and Parcels which is into logistics. The founder of it is a 12-year-old guy. He founded it when he was 12 years old. Currently, he is 15 years old. But that is how. This company currently is valued at 120 crores. And and a 50-year-old guy is running a company worth 120 crores. That is the power of starting your own business or a startup. Now, how many of you have family backgrounds in business? जो जिनके पेरेंट्स के बिजनेसेस हो, बाकी सबके मोस्टली आर इनटू सर्विस कॉर्पोरेट्स. How many of you want to go into corporate slavery? I am specifically mentioning the term of corporate slavery because of a reason which I'll explain later. How many of you plan to do a job and enter into corporate slavery? No one? How many of you want to be your own boss and actually make people work for you? तो बाकी जो किसी चीज के लिए the ones who are not raising hand for any, you are just studying for fun. किसी को एक डिग्री चाहिए नाम का, पेरेंट्स को लगे शादी वादी करने के लिए लगता है ना.